Here's another view from the Aloha Tower. This is kind of facing more north, but if you pan over to the left, that's the Pearl Harbor over there, and going this direction is downtown Honolulu. It's been a hot, beautiful day. We've had a little bit of liquid sunshine, but it was more refreshing than not. Again, from the Aloha Tower, this is pretty much facing east. And this is all the high rises in Honolulu. Several miles south of here is Waikiki, and that's where we're staying. And we'll give another view from the other outlook. This is the southern viewpoint, Honolulu Harbor. And the yacht or boat that you see down below there is the Star of Honolulu, which I imagine gives harbor tours. Honolulu is quite commercial. Basically just another big city with lots of hotels. And of course out there is the Pacific Ocean. This is the Aloha Tower. The observation deck is 10 stories up. Again, it's free. And you did see some lovely views from up there. Hope you enjoyed the tour of the Aloha Tower.
These are souvenir coins that Bruce got in the tower. And these are coins that he buys everywhere we go. They're cheap souvenirs.